Welcome and good morning. Thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Review, brought to you by AlphaTrade.
Yahoo shares continue to head higher, supported by the future acquisition by Verizon. Chinese authorities stated that they are ready to resort to policy stimulus if credit-fueled expansion threatens to slow economic transition. Sales at the US retail level increased more than anticipated in the past reading. The increase of job openings in the US is expected to boost gains for the index thanks to improving labour markets. Chinese yuan is expected to remain relatively static as the change in the total inflation-adjusted value of output produced by manufacturers, mines and utilities are expected to remain the same. The Japanese yen is expected to gain ground against the dollar as the change in the total value of US sales at the retail level is projected to decrease. After the initial market shock caused by the drastic difference between market expectations and official data regarding crude oil inventories, analysts are expecting that the commodity will regain ground.
Thank you for joining us for Friday's Market Outlook, brought to you by AlphaTrade.